Introducing the stunning 2022 Skoda Scala AMB 1.0 TSI 95 HP 5-door in a sleek blue exterior. This hatchback is equipped with top-of-the-line features including air conditioning, cruise control, and multiple airbags for your safety and comfort. With a powerful yet fuel-efficient 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this car is perfect for any journey. Not only does it come with luxury trim and a spare wheel, but it also boasts advanced safety technology, like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. With a comprehensive warranty included, why wait? Call us now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more details on this incredible vehicle.